In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on game mode on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, game mode is something that allows your game console to bypass some video processing in your TV and helps improve video speed and some of the games. So to put it simply, it just makes your gaming experience much better. Alright, so to turn on game mode, you need to grab your remote control, whether you have one that looks similar to this, or if you've got the smart remote, they both do the same thing, but you're going to want to hit the home button on your remote. Okay, when you do hit remote, this menu icon comes up here at the bottom, shows all your apps and stuff, but you're going to want to crank all the way over to the left until you get to that gear icon right there. This is your settings, and then instead of clicking on settings, you're going to want to press up, and then that's going to take you over to this icon right here in the middle that says game mode. And right now I've got it off. Just press enter. You'll see that the screen went dim for a minute, and then now it's lit up again, and then now the game mode is on. So that's how you turn it on, and then you can play this on your PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, whatever console that you're using. This will make your gaming experience much better. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.